Okay, I'm going to make this video real quick just because it took me way too long to find the solution to this, and hopefully this will help somebody out. This is an '07 GMC Denali, but I'm sure this will be the same for any GMC. P0300 code, multiple misfires. So you go into that wire harness there, you grab the black ground wire, attach a new ground wire to it, and just run it to a ground somewhere. I'm going to put it right here to the alternator. If you want to do it the correct way, the original ground is down there, and if you have a lift you can probably get to it and fix it from down there. For me it was a lot easier to do it up here. As soon as you put that ground on, starts up, runs great, no more misses, no more codes. Hope this helps somebody. Everybody have a great day.